How to log in to Twitch. So if you want to log into your Twitch account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. You can simply go for the search bar and search for Twitch. And once you've searched, here you will have www.twitch.tv. Click on the first search. And here on the upper right, you will have login option. Click on login. And now you can enter your username and your password to log into your account. But if you don't remember your username or password, then you can go for trouble logging in so that you can reset or recover your account or your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and your username of your Twitch and then click on login. And now to log into your account, you need to go for your mail which you have used to create your account, and you will get a code to that mail. So here you will have the verification code. You can simply copy the code, you can paste it here, and that's it. You've been logged into your account. So that's how you log into your Twitch account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.